Welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. Alright you guys, so I'm back with another very simple recipe. Today's gonna be a watermelon lime drink. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. This comes together really quickly and it only requires a few ingredients. First, you'll need watermelon. This is about 1.5 cups of cubed watermelon, 1 whole lime, and some salt. Salt is optional, but it does enhance the flavor of this drink. For blenders, I'm using a Vitamix, but you can definitely use whatever you have on hand. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll share a few tips if you don't have a Vitamix. Let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my watermelon. Next, I'm adding in the juice of 1 whole lime. I'm gonna add in just a pinch of salt. Remember I said this was optional. You don't have to add salt. Now I'll blend. All right, let's pour it. Perfect. All right, so before I go, I'll give you a few tips. As I mentioned earlier, I use the Vitamix. It blends the watermelon really well, so there's no chunks or anything in here. It turned this into a juice. But if you don't have a Vitamix, and you blend it in your blender and you find that you don't like the consistency, just pour it through a mesh strainer. This drink is gonna last for about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. It will separate, so you'll just have to stir it before drinking. So if you're a fan of watermelon, give this recipe a try. In my opinion, this is the perfect summer drink. Well, all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. Comment below if you plan on making this recipe. And please don't forget to check the description box for step-by-step instructions to this recipe. There are multiple ways that you can connect with me. You can leave me a comment, head over to the community tab, or send me an email to janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. So this drink is it. If you're a fan of watermelon and you're looking for something different, if you're a fan of watermelon, give this. If you're a fan of watermelon, please. So if you're a fan of